afternoon. Well, here, just literally crossing over the border into Brecon, into the Brecon Beacons. As you can see, sporting my rather fancy forest scum cap. I'm a little bit out of breath because I've just run. But yeah, let's start for part number 6 now. Not entirely sure what I'm doing tonight with regards to sleeping. Ideally I want to be below sort of 600 metres mark. The mountain weather forecast has kind of predicted sleet and snow and frost above 600 metres, so ideally I want to get down below that. I roughly know where I'm going this time because I've actually ran some of this route previously when I was up in Wales last year. So the idea is to kind of stop at the National Show Cave for Wales campsite, which is about 19 miles from here. So I'm just going to kind of motor on, I'm just going to get on with it and see how far I've got. It's going to be morning everyone. Yeah, pretty good night's sleep last night. Drifted off early, it was lovely and snug and warm. Rained early hours, couldn't tell you what time it was. But this morning, I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually snow starting to fall. Actual snow. So yeah, it's going to be interesting on the tops. I'm hoping it'll blow over pretty quickly, but I'm not entirely sure. It's blowing over from kind of that end over there, coming in from the north. We're not kind of, it's not heavy, but the temperature's dropped like massively since last night. So I'm now wearing my full waterproofs. I'm just trying to get some bloody heat in my body, so I probably won't be doing too many live updates for a while because my fingers are frozen and they're nearly falling off. So I'll just update you when I can, and yeah, just like Dartmoor, this place is full of effing bogs as well, which is a joy. So this is the kind of path you can kind of see it, but it's obviously not well used. This is just not very distinctive from any of the other down paths that are here, because you've got 1, you've got 2, you've got 3, 4, there's 5, there's another one going over in that way, there's another one going over in that way, so it makes following the path quite difficult, so you've got to really be kind of careful where you're going. So I'm going to sign off for now. Signing off. Coming back. Can't quite decide whether it's buzzing me or not. Would hope not. Assuming it's searching for lost walkers. That's about the 10th time it's come like really fucking close, and then I've seen its lights kind of coming into the tent as well. So exciting stuff. Morning everybody. What do you mean you're all in bed still? Lazy bunch of so-and-sos. I'm at the highest point in the Brecon Beacons now. It's taking me an hour to summit Penwith, so just literally over 3 miles, 3.7. Jesus, what a slog. Bloody legs are aching now. But let me just flip the camera around, and this is what you're greeted to. Look at that, absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. So I'm heading down the path there now, and I think I'm probably going to have to go up that hill there. Which is a joy, or that one, I don't know yet. Look at that valley, absolutely wonderful. I should have come down off of the top of there, but I cut round instead. Probably added more miles on, but it's probably saved time in the long run, so lower route, easier on the legs. Look at that, that's spectacular, absolutely.
Band in your post, it's long gone. The brass castaign is your pure conviction.
Thank you then, pygmy goats. Puppy nose. No thanks. So, look at that. Moved into lush green Welsh farmland now. Absolutely roasting now, which is just crazy. I suppose this is the thing, you see, is people think that it's like this down here, so up there on the top of them hills, it's going to be like that as well. It was on Penwith Fan to a degree, but a lot of people don't take account of the wind chill factor. So even in today, you know, the wind chill will strip the heat right out of your body. Really bad for dehydrating you as well, because the wind's constantly kind of wicking away the sweat in your body, dries your mouth out, dries your lips out. So yeah, it's Penwith Farm down there. I'm not really sure what the village is called though. Llangorden or something like that. I know that there's a pub there. Whether it's going to be open by the time we get there, it's going to be about 11:15 maybe. It's another 15 minutes or so. Whether it'll be open, I don't know. Hope it is. Oh, I fancy a nice cold glass of Coke or something. I really, really want something to eat. Solid food. Because my stomach is absolutely growling for it now. So, yeah, headed here. Less than 14 miles left. Howdy doody. Oh god, you can see me. Can you see me? Oh, like an angel with that light on. That's it. Done. Done. Brecon Beacons is done. 65 miles, maybe more, I don't know. Finished on the canal, just stuck behind me up the back of there. Boy, my glad to be done. I've now got a trudge down a bloody horrible road and into Abergavenny itself, to now go and find a train station, catch a train home. I'm gonna have to somehow change and slightly wash myself in the toilets at the train station. Nothing like a toilet wash. It's becoming a norm for me. Awesome, absolutely awesome.